Let's talk about meditation. How meditation helps in becoming the calm person. कैसे एक meditation जो है एक इंसान को एक relax और एक calm इंसान बनाती है. Because in meditation, one does not identify oneself with one's own thoughts. What is meditation? Meditation is the state of no mind. And what do I mean by that? Meditation जब इंसान करता है तो it's a state where you observe your own thoughts, where you observe your own self. And अक्सर लोग अकेले बैठने से बड़ा घबराते हैं due to the haunting thoughts, due to the programming they have installed from since childhood. So उसी चीज़ से घबराते हैं and they keep on running from it. असल इम्तिहान तो तब होता है जब आप अपने साथ अकेले बैठते हैं and when you try to identify your own thoughts, and in meditation you realize that you're not your thoughts, you're not your own self. What you call you is separated from what you believe. So how to do that meditation? You just try to sit and observe on one thing. For instance, if you're just observing on your own breathing, just try to observe your own breathing, because breathing is the bridge between mind and body. एंड जितनी ज़्यादा इंसान डीप ब्रीथिंग करता है उतना ही माइंड रिलैक्स होता है. एंड जितनी ज़्यादा डीप ब्रीथिंग होगी उतना हमारा जो है एक नर्वस सिस्टम रिलैक्स होगा. सो दैट इज़ हाउ मेडिटेशन इज़ डन. एंड मेडिटेशन के बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं. बिकॉज व्हेन यू ट्राई टू मेडिटेट, व्हेन यू ट्राई टू ऑब्जर्व योर ओन थॉट्स, वहीं पे एहसास होता है कि जो थॉट्स हैं तो इमोशंस हैं जस्ट अराइज हो रहे हैं हमारे अंदर. एंड यू ट्राई टू not to identify with any of these. And with the practice, in the situations of extreme anger, extreme emotions, extreme volatility in emotions, you truly realize your own self and you try to not to identify any of them. So that is how meditation is done. Just trying to be an observer. Just try to observe your own thoughts. Try to observe the breathing. You don't have to identify, you don't have to build any narrative around it. That is how meditation is done. And meditation के बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं. It keeps you calm, it keeps you focused, it lets you drift away from the ego. ये जो एक मैं की बात है ना, इंसान डिजॉल्व हो जाता है मेडिटेशन में. बिकॉज इफ़ आई आस्क एनी वन, लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस आई एम हन्नान, I have been given name by my parents. The culture, the language I've been, these have been imposed on me. So meditation allows you to ask and observe those deep thoughts. And when you try not to identify with any of these, the I is dissolved. Only the awareness, the consciousness remains.